Oh my god.
I'm gonna go like, are we gonna work out at my house?
This is a place where I feel
How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. Today I got another how-to video. It's going to be how to change the oil on a Harley Davidson Street 500. So first you're going to want to drain the oil. It's going to be a metric 13 socket to remove the plug. It's going to be on the left side of the bike, about halfway back down the crankcase. This can be done on the side stand because it actually leans towards the side where the drain plug is, so it'll drain out very well. Once you remove that drain plug, you're going to want to check the oil as well as the drain plug because it's actually magnetic. So if you see an excess buildup of metal filings, you might want to have it looked at. If it's a brand new bike and this is your first time changing the oil, you might have a little buildup of metal shavings, and that's just due to the engine break-in, so that's nothing to worry about. Next, I'll clean the drain plug and replace the O-ring, and then go ahead and put that back in the bike. I'll actually put the part number for the O-ring in the description because it's not the standard Harley part for the Street series. Next, we're going to want to get the oil filter off, so you're going to remove the radiator cover. It's going to be 2 metric 5 bolts on the bottom. Then you'll slide the cover upwards to release it and remove from the bike. Next, you're going to want to remove the rectifier to gain access to the oil filter. It's also going to be another 2 metric 5 bolts. It doesn't matter this time since I already made a mess, but I always like to slide the oil pan under the oil filter so that when I remove it, the oil doesn't just flow out onto the floor. You can remove the oil filter with channel locks or a filter wrench. When installing the new oil filter, you're going to want to put some oil around the seal. This helps it form a seal and then also lubes the rubber while you screw it on to stop it from tearing. And make sure that filter is only hand tight. This bike takes 3.7 quarts of 20 weight 50 full synthetic oil, and I usually like to add just a little extra to be safe. It won't hurt it, it'll end up burning the extra oil off if it really needs to. Once I've filled up the bike and double checked the drain plug, the fill plug, and the oil filter for tightness, I'll run the bike for a little bit and allow the oil to circulate, as well as check for leaks on any of those 3 items. And once you're sure that there's no leaks from that oil filter, you can go ahead and put the rectifier and the radiator cover back on. Harley Davidson actually sells an oil change kit for this bike, including 4 quarts of oil, the filter, and the O-ring for about $50. And that's not a bad way to go because it gets you everything you need and you don't have to think about it. I'll also have links and information on everything you need to do this yourself in the description below. Changing your own oil is a good way to save a buck, plus gain a better understanding of your bike. I hope this video was able to help you out with both of those things. So thank you guys for watching, and I just want to remind you guys that I do have the giveaway going, which will be actually a free oil change, and if you're in the North Texas area, I'll include the labor on that as well. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.